Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account. You will need elevated rights to change the hotspot password. Once done, make sure your Wi-Fi adapter is turned on and the computer has steady power. Next, open the appropriate settings panel. On Windows, go to Settings, then Network and Internet. On Mac, open System Preferences and select Sharing. This gets you immediately to the hotspot controls, so you can change details without detours. Now you locate the hotspot controls and edit the credential fields. On Windows, click Mobile Hotspot, then Edit to change the network name and password. Choose WPA2 where offered. On Mac, select Internet Sharing, click Wi-Fi Options, and set a secure password and WPA2 personal encryption. If you are on Linux, open Network Manager or edit Hotspot. Conf directly. This requires restarting the service. In every case, pick a strong password and save or apply changes so the new credential takes effect. Finish by saving settings and restarting the hotspot service. Toggling the hotspot off and on forces clients to refresh. Then reconnect your phone or tablet using the new password and instruct others to forget the old network to avoid conflicts. If something goes wrong, check your Wi-Fi adapter drivers, ensure firewall or VPNs aren't blocking the hotspot, and confirm you used a supported encryption type, such as WPA2. Resolving those items usually clears the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.